Today we are going to be riffing on a BLT, except there's no B. Instead of using bacon, we are going to be using Taylor ham, aka pork roll, aka one of my very favorite things from New Jersey. The only ingredients you'll need are tomatoes, Taylor ham, lettuce, mayonnaise, and sandwich bread. So now that we've sliced our tomatoes, if any of them have like a tough white core, oops. Something I like to do is just take an apple core, just cut out the center. So depending on the size of your tomato, you'll need like 1 to 2 slices of your bread. Then you might need 1. I'm just gonna line them on a plate and then do the most important step, which is seasoning them. I like to season the tomatoes before we start on any of the other elements. This way the salt and the pepper can kind of like sink in. And you really only wanna do this with like good ripe tomatoes, but if you happen to get a tomato that's like a little bit mealy or lackluster, the salt is gonna really help things. Good to go. So Taylor ham is like the VIP breakfast meat in New Jersey. A lot of people will compare it to Canadian bacon because it's perfectly round. It is not Canadian bacon. Very different. I would say it's much closer to Spam, but very thinly sliced, round. It's porky, it's salty, it's like a little bit spicy, but not in like a heat kind of way. So delicious. You will find it at just about every single diner in New Jersey. And there are a lot of diners in New Jersey, more than any other state. So the first thing you need to do with Taylor ham is score it. So kind of picture it like a clock. It would be 12, 3, 6, 9. So 4 even scores. And what this does, it prevents it from puffing up in the pan. Make sure you get all those crispy edges. So we have a skillet over medium to medium high heat. And now we are ready to cook our Taylor ham. So these are gonna cook for like 3 to 4 minutes, just until the edges start to get crispy and crackly. And in the time that that's going, we can toast our toast. So this is our Taylor ham, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. Taylor ham is very findable in New Jersey, but it is sprinkled in supermarkets throughout the country. I could find it when I lived in North Carolina. So do seek it out. Let me know what you think about this sandwich in the comments. Here you go. And I will see you next week.